30%. So far this month, our temperatures have been running about 4.5 degrees below the norm. We've had 14 days of temperatures below average, and now we're going to take things the other way and see a significant warm up this weekend, forecasting high temperatures in the 80s. So we're talking near record heat coming up on Saturday and Sunday. Overnight, we'll see the rain moving into central Indiana. By midnight, some heavy rain is likely, along with a few thunderstorms. That'll continue right on through the overnight period. In addition to the rain across central Indiana, we'll have gusty winds coming up from the southwest, right around 30 miles per hour overnight. Temperatures are going to be near 50 degrees, so a very cool night of weather out there with the clouds and rain. The rain does continue on through early tomorrow morning, but the rain will be ending by lunchtime, so I do think they'll get testing in over at the Motor Speedway coming up tomorrow afternoon. Going to see the high temperature warmer tomorrow, 66 in Kokomo, 67 in Lafayette, and 68 for the high temperature in Columbus. We'll see another round of rain coming our way on Friday across central Indiana. Some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms are likely, and by Friday afternoon, we'll see up to a ½ inch of rain across the area. In the overnight forecast, showers are likely after 8 o'clock this evening. We'll see thunderstorms with gusty winds overnight down to 51. Tomorrow's high temperature at 69 with showers early, sunny, windy, and mild conditions for the afternoon. In the 7-day forecast, the high at 72 with scattered storms coming up on Friday will warm the temperature up over the weekend. In the 80s on Saturday and Sunday, thunderstorms are likely late Sunday on through Monday. Temperatures cool down on Monday with heavier rain, the high at 62, then dry and cooler on Tuesday and Wednesday with morning lows